Hi everyone, this is Jen from Scrap and Posh, and I am here with an artistic studio creation haul, and it's kind of a mid-month haul because I got a little bit of extras once they came in. So I was waiting on Graphic 45, and I got the pockets and tags with the butterflies and the wings dies. I believe Crystal still has these in the shop, but they were going fast, so I'm not positive. I also got one Stickles, and it's one that I don't think I had. Unicorn. So it's kind of a like a hollow with the different colors in it. So I have all the whites or clears except for that one. And then I never had Nuvo drops, so I bought Nuvo drops, and I had the caramel cream in my cart, but it sold out before I got it, and so Crystal sent me hers. Thank you, Crystal. Okay, so I never had Nuvo drops, so I'm going to kind of explain. The bottle is squishier, I think, or maybe just bigger than the Stickles bottle, and the caramel cream's really cool. She has some more on order. So I got caramel cream. I don't know if you see the top was like really decorative. I got Neptune, which is a really iridescent blue. I got Wedgwood blue. Metallic navy blue, which is dark but not too dark. I got pewter, I think. No, silver lining. And black. Ebony black. And copper, I think. Copper penny. So those will be fun to play with. Like I said, I've never had them before, so that'll be interesting. And then I had to get the Fairy Wings collection because I don't have enough paper. I got the cardstock stickers, just 2 6x12s. And I do have some of the other fairy collection left. The I can't think of it right now, but I will. Oh. So it's really fun. I think it'll also go with the Dreamland Fairy Dust. That was the first one. Fairy Dust, and then I think this will also go with the Dreamland collection. So I'm kind of excited to kind of extend that collection out. The blues and the yellows are definitely the same as the Dreamland, and then the purples and the peaches are the same as the Fairy Dust. I'm not going to open this because I'm sure you guys have already seen it, but there's the ephemera, the journaling tags. I'll go through the journaling tags because I know they have different fronts and backs. The cardstock, or chipboard things. Let's see. The patterns and solids. Lots of butterflies. Whoops. Love that gold. And there's the fairies. So that's really cute. And then the collection itself, the 12 by 12 is the same as the 8 by 8, so I'm not going to go through the 12 by 12 again. So I'm sure you guys have already seen it, but like I said, I will go through the journaling tags so you guys can see the back of them. It's cute. I like them all. I like that they're not just a plain parchment, that they have a lot of color to them, almost like watercolor. These are the 3 by 4s, the 4 by 6s. Lots of color on these. And the color is extending all the way to the ends. These are the portrait ones. I have a hot dog who wants outside, so I'm gonna hurry. Lots of color in this one, lots of color. Alright, you guys, so that's my like mid-month mini haul. I don't know, it's a pretty decent size haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Head on over to Artistic Studio Creations on Etsy. That's ASC Supply on Etsy. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your regular order. And we will see you next time. Stick around and see what I do with all these collections. Bye-bye.